Hi there. I just want to talk you through my 5-minute makeup routine, whether I'm just working from home or whether I'm running out the door, just going to the local store or picking up my boys or whatever. Just 5 minutes to give me a day face. So I'll start, I've prepped my face, so I have already moisturized my face. I've got my serums on there. My face is ready to go. I don't have any makeup on at all, so here we go. I like to use our Luminous Finish Organic Fluid Foundation. And my shade is Camel. So again, I'm just going to do 2 pumps like I do on moisturizer. And I know I'm really cheeky, but I put it on like I do a moisturizer. So, and that's how I tell people if they don't have all the brushes and the sponges and whatever, just use your fingers. It's so easy. And as long as you're blending it properly, and I can see that I'm blending it properly. So there's no lines. And don't forget under your nose as well. I won't show you a close-up of that, but just make sure you work it in with your fingers. And because your fingers are nice and warm, it really helps to just work it into the skin, and there we go. So now if I need a little bit more here, I don't have one of my concealers with me, but I would normally use my skin colored concealer. But what I'm going to do is just put a little bit extra. And again, see how it's just enough to work in to the skin. Now, if that's all I feel like doing, that to me has made an improvement on the way that my skin is looking more even toned. It's given me a bit of a glow, and I can just leave it like that and just put a bit of mascara on if I want, and maybe some lipstick. However, I want to show you a little bit more. So I'm going to use our loose powder foundation. And how I like to use this is how I tell people. So you've got your kabuki brush. You're just going to dip your brush into the pot, tap it off, and then I use the lid to work it into my brush so that my brush is going to carry all the product that I need on there. Now, if I'm really busy and I've got to rush out the door and I've got, not much time in the morning, I would have loaded up my brush last night and used it. So now I'm just going to work it into my skin everywhere. Just circular little motions. Now I'm probably doing it all wrong, as makeup artists would probably want you to do it a different way, but this works for me, and I'm sure it'd work for you too. Simple is better for me. So if I wanted more coverage and if I was going out to an event, I'd probably do another layer of that, or maybe another 2 layers. All right, so my next step is a bit of blush. So I'm using our scalp blush, and I'm using the color Sincerity. Again, I've dipped my our scalp little vegan brush in there, and I'm using my lid to work it in because it is loose. And the reason why they are loose powders is we don't have any of the fillers or the dimethicone or anything like that sort of setting the product, and they're really pure. So again, I like to find the apple of my cheek and just brush out in like that little sweep to the ear. How does that look? And I'll do that to the other side. On the top here, because you can see the top of my... And another thing I really like to do is just like that on my eyes. And I've been doing that since I was a teenager. So there we are. That's that. Okay, so eyebrows, really important. I've got our little loose powder brush, brush. What am I talking about? Our brow dust, and I've got our multitask brush. Can you see that? I'm going to use the straight edge of the brush. And, you know, and as I said in one of my other videos, when I was going through chemo, this is how I used to put my eyebrows on, with the powder. Now, I'm actually using just my camera, so I'd probably brush that through, but I can't find my brush at the moment. But anyway, that's my eyebrows. Now, a bit of mascara would be fine right now. And I might just do that. So this is our mascara with fibres. It is not waterproof, this one, but we do have a waterproof option. But it is not. The waterproof option is a normal waterproof mascara. And I'm not going to do my bottom lashes just now. Now, that would be it. That would be it, apart from a little bit of lip gloss, or I have used one of our lipsticks, and this is Charm, our Charm lipstick. So there we go. That is my day makeup, ready to walk out the door.